So, good day, everyone. I'm Rodello Consulta Jr. from DCET 21, and for today's video, we'll discuss about the Cyberlibel case, Rappler case. Okay. Um, of course, today I would like to reflect upon the case of Maria Ressa and Reynaldo Santos Jr. Okay, Santos Jr. who were found guilty of cyber by the Manila Regional Trial Court Branch 46 in the Philippines. Of course, the court's decision raised several important legal and ethical questions regarding freedom of speech and the role of online news organizations and the interpretation of cybercrime laws. Then let's what do you call this? Let's come up with deeper into the facts that makes this case more understandable. Of course, the arguments and also the court's decision to for us to have more deeper understanding regarding this case. So, um, the case summary. Uh, the case solved around a Rappler article which was published in 2012, which accused businessman Wilfredo Keng of various criminal activities. So, including human trafficking and drug smuggling. So, that's the court found that the article met the elements of libel and was republished when a typographical error was corrected in 2014. So, the court reasoned that the Cybercrime Prevention Act, or which you called also called CPA, applied retroactively. So despite the article being published prior to the law's enactment, so we will have like the analysis regarding this case, like a defamatory statement and publication. So the court established that the article contained defamatory statements concerning Wilfredo Keng and was published on the Rappler website. So it viewed the typographical correction as a republication, then leading to the charges of cyber libel, then identify of the um, person defamed. The court the court determined the article clearly identified Wilfredo Keng by name and hits and associated corporation fulfilling the third element of libel. So also the existence of malice, the court found that both malice in law and the malice in fact to be present. So malice in law was presumed due to the defamatory nature of the article, as Keng was considered a private individual, and the court also concluded that the defendants showed an utter lack of verification and failed to post any clarifications of corrections despite requests from the complaints lawyer. So, use of a computer system, the court recognized that the Libelius Act was committed through a computer system, of course, as stipulated by the Cybercrime Prevention Act. So, prescription of the offense that the court held the offense had not yet prescribed. So, as the republication occurred in 2014, within that 12-year prescriptive period under the revised penal code, the court's decision has sparked then debates about the interpretation of cybercrime laws and their application to cases predating their um, enactment. So it has raised also concerns about freedom of speech and the accountability of online news. So organizations and some argue that the ruling may have a chilling effect on the press freedom. So while others contend that journalists should be held responsible for ensuring the accuracy of their reporting, so we can also conclude in this part that the conviction of Maria Ressa and Reynaldo Santos Jr. for cyber libel highlights the complex intersection of freedom of speech, cybercrime legislation, and the responsibilities of journalists as the case continues to draw attention. So it also undergo further legal proceedings and it is essential to critically examine the implications it may have on the press freedom and the digital landscape and the future of journalism. So that's all that I can reflect in this topic. And thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And I hope you guys have learned some of my learnings, some in my learnings. So thank you for listening. And that's all. Thank you.